Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to the channel. Quick video po ulit tayo. Paunahan ng sale. Dito lamang yan sa may Sita Italia sa may Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. Malapit ito sa may gate ng Bacoor Boulevard. Doon sa may itinayong bagong SNR at meron ding upcoming SM Boulevard. So, ang kanyang lot area ay 133 square meters. Ang kanyang floor area ay 60 square meters. This is, by the way, bank foreclosed property and napakalapit lamang niya sa may entrance guardhouse ng subdivision. So, this property is selling for as low as 4.4 million pesos. Lipat agad for as low as 20% spot down payment. That's approximately mga 880,000 lang. Yung remaining 80% naman po ay pwede through bank or in-house financing. So this is guaranteed lowest price, fast and easy process, lipat agad as is where is. Ang ganda, ang lawak ng lupa niya sa paligid, napakatahimik ng neighborhood. We are now accepting offer to buy forms today till Monday, 12 noon. So, sa mga interesado, please direct message us at FB Messenger, Sheila Medina Veronilla, or contact us at Smart Viber 0908-893-4078 for faster transaction. Maraming salamat! Napakamahal na ng mga bahay sa area. Ang mga townhouse ngayon sa Bacoor na 50 square meters ranging from 5 to 7 million na po. So this one, single corner lot pa. Ito na yung Sita Italia Road going to the left, yan yung papunta ng Buhay na Tubig, and going to the right naman, yan yung papunta ng Bacoor Boulevard. Etong property malapit to sa Bacoor Boulevard. Yung location is 100% flood-free, never pong binaha, walang history ng pagbaha. And napaka-accessible kasi pwede mo tong tagusin from here to Daanghari, marami ng mga bypass, shortcut road. From here to Las Piñas, nandyan na yung Prince Road. Malapit na rin ito doon sa may Cavitex at MCX. Thank you for watching and keep safe always. Bye!